Hi everyone, it's Shilpi. Welcome back. If you enjoy makeup, please stay tuned. Diwali, the festival of light, it is just around the corner, and who doesn't like to dress up? So, to help you choose your makeup, I am going to be recreating the Deepika inspired makeup for this Diwali. So, let's begin. For moisturizer, I'm going to be use the Pack Aqua Blast. It's a water-based moisturizer that intends for the hydration. It's quickly absorbed, non-greasy. It's the best. And the next, I'm going to use Sugar Alcoholic Priming Moisturizer. This 2-in-1 product acts as a primer and as a moisturizer, can be used every day. I have uneven skin tone like my dark circle under my eye area, so here I'm going to use orange color corrector. I blend it with the help of the finger. It's very light and a creamy texture. It's incredibly high pigmented contents, covers even the most challenging discoloration. Now I'm using the Supra foundation that exactly match on my skin tone. This foundation has creamy formula, blends easily and deliver a natural finish. Now I'm using the concealer for highlighter. It's also from Supra. Concealer give a natural coverage. Deepika's nose is thin but mine is a bit wide. That's why I'm doing a little bit nose contouring. There is no single method of the nose contour. It's depend on your nose shape. For blush, I'm going to using Insight Moisturizer Tint. It's blend easily because of its creamy formula. It's highly pigmented, you can see. Now I'm going to set it lightly with the translucent powder. If you observe her high points, let the powder sit for a few minutes, maybe about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the body heat to set the makeup. Then dust off the excess product. Now my eye makeup is started with the brows. First I'm combing my eyebrows here with the help of a spoolie. And then using the Pack eyebrow filler with the help of triangle brush. I'm just using the black shade to fill my brows. Starting with the light brown shade for transitions, just blend it with the fluffy brush. Then adding some pink eyeshadow. Now I'm using chocolate brown liner. It's Swiss Beauty lip liner. I'm using for the eyeshadow. Then blend it with the small fluffy brush. And for the glow, I'm using Insight Cosmetic Glide and Glow eyeshadow stick. For the natural look, I am using only mascara instead of fake eyelashes. For that pop of highlighter in the inner corner, I am going to using Makeup Revolution highlighter. And for the highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution. It's such a pretty shade. And last, adding some rosy pink matte lipstick. I really love this look. I think it's so unique, subtle makeup, just enhancing the features. I love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And stay tuned for the next another celebrity inspired look. And wishing you a very happy Diwali. Bye bye.